Hey guys, it's that time to celebrate. Let's see who gets to celebrate with me and gets all of this big, huge package. Okay, here we go. Yay! Congratulations, Paper Puddles. All right. Just email me your home address so that I can get this shipped off to you. Okay, that's all you have to do is just send me an email and I will get this in the mail to you. And you will get to celebrate with me. Yay! I'm so excited. You guys are so amazing. I'm so glad that you guys have subscribed and that you like and you comment. Please keep those comments coming. I love hearing from each and every one of you. So I hope you guys join me next time. All right. Have a blessed day.